Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to review some of the Nykaa Cosmetics lipsticks. They have developed a lot of formulas over the years and I have tried some of them. I have 3 lipstick formulas and 1 lip liner. So I will be sharing my thoughts and a mini review on them. The reason I'm doing this video is that if you're planning to buy any of these lipsticks, you will get information about these lipsticks in one video. Before we get into the video, if you do enjoy, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it if you want to watch more videos from me. And also follow me on my Instagram. I will leave the Instagram handle at the end of the video. I'll be also doing hand swatches and lip swatches so that you can see the color as well. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. Nykaa lipsticks are cruelty-free, paraben-free and dermatologically tested. First, let's talk about the lip liner. This is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner. I have in the shade Pillow Fight. This retails for 350 rupees for 1.14 grams. Claim these lipsticks to be transfer-proof and waterproof. Liners are made in Europe. These are sharpenable pencils. I will show you a hand swatch. This is how the shade Pillow Fight looks like. It's a very peachy nude color. This will work really well with peachy nude lipsticks, even brown nude lipsticks. And the best thing I like about these lip liners are these are very creamy and smooth on the lips. It doesn't tug or pull your lips. It creates a very nice base before you apply your lipsticks. So I really like these lip liners and these are quite affordable compared to other lip liners in the market. Quite often they have a lot of offers also on these lip liners. These lip liners has a matte finish. It is very creamy and smooth to apply, and this does transfer. Like you can see, there is a slight transfer, but it does last for 3 to 4 hours really well, and it creates a nice base for your lipstick. So I really like this and I will highly recommend if you are in look for a nice lip liner which is inexpensive. This is how this color looks on my lips. I do wear this lip liner on its own as well. Now let's get into the lipstick formulas. The first one is the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayons. This is in the shade Lacy Luck. This is how the color looks like. This one. It's a very pretty, again a brown nude color with peach undertone. It really looks good on all skin tones, and this is a very creamy matte formula. It does look matte on your lips, but it's very smooth to apply. It is really pigmented, like one stroke you will get full pigmentation, and it is very comfortable to wear. It is quite long lasting. It will last up to 4 to 5 hours and then you can reapply. This retails for 699 rupees for 2.8 grams, and you get a free sharpener also with this lip crayon. They have a total of 14 shades in this range. They have a lot of beautiful colors which will really look good on Indian skin tones as well. I will show you a swatch of this lipstick on my lips. As you can see, it glides on very smoothly and it's very lightweight on the lips, and this color is one of my favorite nude lipsticks. If you're someone who doesn't like very drying lipsticks, you will really love this because this is very comfortable on the lips. The next formula which I want to talk about is the Nykaa Matte Last Liquid Lipstick. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a liquid lipstick. It comes in total of 26 shades and it retails for 5.99 for the full size, and now they have released a mini version of this. The mini version of this retails for 239 rupees for 1.2 ml. Nykaa claim that this lipstick is enriched with vitamin E. These are lightweight and non-drying and extreme matte finish, and they claim it to be transfer proof as well. This is lightweight. This is quite a liquidy consistency. This is the shade Bombay, but you can see this is not an opaque formula. You have to layer it. This is a very pretty color, brownish nude color. This will look good on fair to medium skin tones. I will show you a swatch of this lipstick. This is in the shade Bombay. This lipstick takes some time to dry down. Once it's dried down, it is completely matte. It is really lightweight and comfortable. It will stay up to 2 to 3 hours, and after 2 to 3 hours it will start fading. Then you can reapply it. You do have to apply a lip balm before you apply this, because liquid lipsticks are drying, so it is better to apply a lip balm before you apply. The next formula we are going to talk about is the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipsticks. They have a total of 18 shades in. I have 3 of the shades with me. These retails for 599 rupees for 5 grams, and these are vegan as well. The best thing about these lipsticks are these are ultra matte. If you like matte lipsticks, you will really love this. This is the shade Nefertiti. This is the one I'm wearing right now. It's a very pretty peachy color. This is the hand swatch. This will look good on almost all skin tones, and this is a very weightless formula. It's very comfortable, and these are highly pigmented. Like one swipe you will get opaque finish. So this is the most favorite formula of mine. If I have to choose one formula from all of this, I will choose this one. If you're someone who doesn't like the feeling of a liquid lipstick, you will really love this. Show you the swatches of the other 2 shades which I own as well. The next one is called Jane. This is how the packaging looks like. This has got a magnetic closure as well. This is the hand swatch of Jane here. This is a brown lipstick which will look good on all skin tones, especially on deeper skin tones. This will look really pretty. I'm going to show the lip swatch of Jane on my lips. I am shooting in the daylight so that you can see the actual color of the lipstick. The next shade is Cocoa. This is how the shade looks like. It is a very pretty maroon color with red undertones. This color will flatter all Indian skin tones, and it's a very rare color which has a very it's very bright, but it is wearable as well. I really love this shade. These lipsticks has got a really pretty velvety formula. I hope you all enjoyed this video. These were my mini reviews on all the Nykaa. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you own any of these lipsticks and which are your favorite. I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.